Morning, guys. It's Sunday, 8:15. So I think Rini is already on the cardio machine. Let's check. Yes, she is. अरे ये क्या कर रही हो? ये कैसा कार्डियो है? Good morning. How many minutes you have done?
6 minutes.
हाँ अभी चालू किया है. So how much calories in the morning? अभी burn?
Total 700 is different. Sometimes I do 500, sometimes I do 700 also.
So total दिन में 700 कैलोरी burn करना है. So you split it up.
Sometimes I split up, sometimes I do it one time. Depending on my time.
Okay.
Depending on kids' time actually.
Yeah. तो ये एक्चुअली मेरा ऑफिस रूम है, which we have turned into a gym. I'm gonna do a quick tour. My desk, a nice view. Then, hi Ria.
Hi,
Good morning.
good morning.
And then
It's really cold.
prayer space. इसको फुल टाइम कार्डियो बना दिया है, कार्डियो रूम एंड ऑफिस. So Sunday, or rather every morning, I start my day with the drinks. What I have, ये मेरा supplement stack है. I mean, don't get scared. ये पूरा stack है micronutrients का. This is for the normal supplements. What I take in the morning every day is essential amino acids, BCAA, and glutamine. Along with this, I take a cup of black coffee. After some time, I will do the black coffee. So, Rini is doing the cardio. I think I will prepare the breakfast for both of us. So let us see. We'll get the egg whites. This is egg whites. ये एक चीज़ यहाँ पे मिल जाती है जो इंडिया में पहले नहीं मिलता था. I think अभी मिलता है. But जो दूसरा important चीज़ है वो ये. This is very very important. It's the lifeline of every bodybuilders. Let's get the pan. मैं क्या करता हूँ कि I spray a little bit of CAM, original spray. कर दिया. अब इसको 0 पे सेट कर दिया. $250. Exactly 250. Precision. Okay. Then mine is cream of rice. What's this? And 2 scoops of whey. वे बाद में डालेंगे. परफेक्ट. आज हाथ बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. Salt. I use the Himalayan salt. Bit of ground black pepper. That's for her. Now for my cream of rice, एक चीज़ उसको थोड़ा सा stir it. Otherwise ये क्या होगा कि it will start to solidify in patches. उसमें खाने में मज़ा नहीं आएगा. So yeah, let it warm for some time. Yeah, so both of our breakfasts are almost done. The cream of rice, इसमें 2 स्कूप डालना बाकी है. मामा, बच्चों के लिए क्या बनाना है?
Hello, Fit Mom Rennie.
Hello. What do you want for breakfast?
Today Papa made your breakfast.
Oh, good
not
job. Good job, Papa. Oh, what do you want for breakfast, Ria?
So,
We'll
2 scoop of
2 scoop of
what is this, Ria?
wheel
Not whey protein.
whey protein.
2 scoop of whey protein on that.
Wow, these look yummy.
This looks yummy. Sunday is a very important day for us. In fact, सारा काम, सारा ग्रोसरीज एक्सेट्रा हम लोग संडे को करते हैं. और सैटरडे को जो घर का पूरा काम रहता है, लाइक क्लीनिंग, laundry, pressing, etc. We try to finish it off on Saturday. So today, what we will do is we will take you along with us to the supermarket. We will show you कि पूरा week का grocery हम लोग कर देते हैं, and we bring for the entire week and prep for me. I'll try to prep for the entire week because I will be traveling. Rini शायद पूरा दिन का खुद ही बनाते हैं, right? So every day she cooks. So we will take you through the entire grocery things for the week and show you how to do the prep as well. For that, if you want to do whole week, you can do that, or you can cook every day, right?
And
So,
also, and also, your mom should take rest. So you can also tell your dad to make food, because not only there's only women's and boys stuff. Boys can also wear pink stuff, and also boys can cook. She's a feminist.
हम लोग आए हैं Walmart. We will first go to the chicken.
Yes, and I can do this
But
while you're driving.
oh, you're making my life hard, Ria.
Didn't you know I wanted to drive, but I guess I want to do this. I can do this.
Okay, you can drive yourself. I'm not driving. It will run hand.
What?
Yeah, I can't. You're a big girl.
But I can do this. You can drive.
You need to maneuver through it.
I can do this.
Yeah, let's get the egg white. These are the egg whites.
Happy.
You can't reach it.
I can. Where is it?
You can. Oh, good.
This way.
Wait. Take 1. Take 2.
Oh, that's a baby.
I will give you. You can put it on the tray, okay?
Yeah. Mine. Oh,
4 is enough. And we have some left at home. Oosh!
poultry. What is poultry?
Poultry is
Chicken.
chicken.
Chicken
Chicken
here.
breast. Chicken
What
breast.
is chicken breast?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast. What do we need?
We need
Chicken what?
boom. We need thighs.
Thighs. Chicken thighs? You mean like this?
Oh wow, they don't have thighs.
Do you mean like this? Do you mean that?
That's drumsticks. That leg piece.
What is the chicken thighs?
We don't have chicken thighs.
But we got.
Chicken thighs तो मिला नहीं, boneless. So we will have to go to Costco eventually. तो बाकी जो सामान है वहीं से ले लेंगे. बहुत भूख लग रही है अभी. कॉस्को जाने से पहले लेट्स ईट. सी दिखाना क्या खा रहे हो. Sweet potato and chicken.
I have a diet too. This is my diet.
Yes. Panda Express is not a diet.
It is.
ये बहुत जरूरी है, right?
Chicken's really hot.
Because if you don't have the food, then obviously you're gonna end up eating somewhere else. So we carry our meal. How many meals you're carrying?
2 meals.
2 meals. 1 and 2. Sometimes people call us crazy. ये लोग पागल लोग हैं. Because everywhere we go, we take our small tiffins, our food, and we eat at very odd places.
You want one?
Okay, now show me what Mr. Diori is eating.
Mama, you.
Okay.
This is not, Papa. It's not fair.
Chicken.
Chalo. Did you got your diet? New diet? It's the same. 400 grams per day, yeah, for you. Chicken. 380. So 400 हो गया तो 2.8 for you.
I
Five
think
kilo
anyway
mere
the protein is not going to change, only carbs. You will cut down the carbs.
I think Costco is good for bulk shopping, but you need a membership to buy from Costco. Hey, we did not take the trolley. Huh? Wait, I'll take. I thought you were lost. You get lost anyways when you're shopping. पहले हम लोग जाएंगे वेजी सेक्शन.
Hey, where is your mask?
Oh, I forgot my mask. But I'm vaccinated 4 times.
I'm vaccinated 2 times.
But it's safe to wear.
Yeah, it's right. I should have worn it. So, this is organic. यार organic तो नहीं चाहिए अभी. Potato में normal is fine. This is how many kilos? 6. That should do. Oh, madam.
What?
You have to get up from there.
No.
Oh, okay. Then I'll put it here on your thumb.
Please, it's dirty. Get up.
No.
Yeah, please.
By the way, it is not allowed.
It is. It's not.
So
It is.
nice. They're making
Oh, yeah.
chicken breast 2.9.
Size is here. It's 2.9 yes. Yeah. This is what we need. This is 7.92. So around 4. Yeah. Fish. White fish. Scallops. Catfish. Tilapia.
Look at the fish.
Tilapia.
Rich omega-3s.
Yeah. Salmon. I don't take the red meat. Instead of the red meat, I'll take the salmon. This is how much pound? 1 kilo. Yeah, this should be enough for the week.
Come on, let's go. And you have to buy me.
Where's Mama?
She's there. My dad owes me a drink.
Next is coconut water. This one is 1 gram added sugar. Three gram. This is 0. Oh, okay. This is fine. We'll take this. This is the same one which we have at home. It's okay?
You can leave it there.
Okay.
Cleaned up and make meat and maybe get some more.
This one is also included. This one.
No, you have to pay.
I have to pay?
Yeah, you have to pay.
Sorry?
There's 7 items on your
No, there are two receipts. Two receipts.
There it is.
I split it up.
Thank you so much.
But this one is for sale, not for buying.
For sale.
Yeah.
See how your daddy say?
No, sir.
That's your daddy? That's your
Thank
daddy?
you.
Who's your daddy? That's why he wants to sell. That's not your daddy. That's why he wants to sell. If your daddy can do it, right? Don't put him too much.
Which way?
Guys, I suggest having ice cream when it's cold.
What do you mean ice cream in is cold? Oh, when it's a cold weather. Is it? Where is Mama go? God, फिर से भूख लग गई है.
You guys get hungry with
हम लोग इतना भूखकर है ना.
asking for
लोग बोलेंगे ये साला ये लोग बस खाते रहते.
Can I eat first? Can I have my
So we went from Costco to KD Meals to get some stuff.
But did you get
Back now, again hungry. But this is a good thing, guys.
It's amazing.
If you feel hungry, that means your body's metabolism is working fine. If you're not feeling hungry for 5 hours, 6 hours, that's where you need to get concerned. अभी भूख लग रहा है मतलब बढ़िया चल रहा है इंजन बॉडी का.
I want to eat pretzels.
Mama, where's my food by the way?
I want to eat pretzels.
खुद अपना खाना खाते रहती है. मेरा खाना तो निकालती नहीं है. Oh, thank you.
I need pretzels. Pretzels.
मेरा ही है, मेरा ही है. मेरा ही है.
I need pretzels. Pretzels.
What do you want? Sorry?
It's Pringles.
So guys, this is the weekly grocery for us. ये सारे जो sources of food है मैंने अलग अलग से divide कर दिया है. The carb sources which we're gonna have for the entire week. Protein sources with the chicken, fish, egg whites. Fats में I have olive, avocado is for Rini. And I have macadamia nuts or safflower oil के साथ ज़रूर करेंगे, right? So this is around ये पूरा हफ्ते का चिकन है रिनी और मेरा मिला के. Fish salmon मेरा है, white fish is also mine, egg whites between both of us, and rice cakes or jam. I'm having it after post-workout. Gluten-free oats या cream of rice. इन दोनों के बीच में I will juggle between different days, right? But पूरे हफ्ते में दोनों चलेंगे. Carbs में white potato, very very important during bulking. Sweet potato रीनी का भी है. And then banana and rice. So पूरा मिला के roughly around आप लगा लो 150 to between 150 to $190, right, per week. So मान लो 200 भी मान लो चलो. So $800 per week का. So it is not a week. Sorry, it is not a cheap sport, right? बहुत महंगा है. but it is what it is, right? We have to do. So this is just to give an idea कि हफ्ते में कितना जाता है. और if someone ask me कि तुम्हारे पैसे कहाँ गए, भाई मेरे पैसे इधर गए, इधर. मेरे सारे पैसे इधर ही जाते हैं. मेरे और मेरे बीवी के सारे पैसे इधर ही खत्म. और ये कहीं नहीं जाता है. इसको चलाते रहना पड़ता है ना. ये आपने खाया, अगर आपने 1 साल 2 साल में इतना, 3 साल में आपने इतना पैसा खर्च किया, उसके बाद अगर आपने डाइट कंटिन्यू नहीं किया तो ये सारे पैसे तो गए, राइट? सो इट्स अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस, राइट? बट इन द एंड, I mean, I would rather spend money on my health rather than दारू पी के कहीं और आप पैसा उड़ा रहे हो या फिर. So it makes more sense to me and my wife to spend for something which we're passionate about, right? So yeah, this is all for the episode today. I hope it gives you an idea कि आपने सुना होगा कि हाँ ठीक है, आपको लगता है कि बॉडी बनती है, स्टेज में देखते हो एकदम श्रेडेड होता है, उसके पीछे क्या होता है, ये होता है. Okay, the amount of food we need to take, this is quite an expensive course, right? So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode where we're gonna bring you something special. We're gonna talk about LPF, which is low pressure fitness, और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें जो हम लोग खरीदेंगे. We will also buy some stuff which will help us in slimming down the waist or the workout program which we're gonna do, right? So subscribe to the channel, like, and give comments, your feedback, because it really helps us to decide what kind of content we want to shoot, right? Till then, have a nice day, nice night. Peace out. Bye.